Okay, last time we talked about our 7 home notes. Do we all remember our 7 home notes?
Yes.
What are they?
G clef G, F clef F.
G clef G.
Bottom space A, low C.
Yes, bottom space A, low C. Whoa. Top space
E.
E, high C. Middle C. Those are our 7 home notes. So we've got high C, top space E, G clef G, and you have a handout for this on Canvas, yes? Middle C, F clef F, bottom space A, and low C. Questions on those so far? Why do we have home notes?
Help you find your way around the keyboard and make it a little faster.
Yeah, because any note is either a step or a skip away from one of these 7 home notes. Now, I want to go over how I like to find them on the keyboard. So what I do is I put both of my thumbs on middle C, and I go out 5 notes, counting C as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I get F clef F and G clef G. Then if I go to the next note and count out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I get, oh, that didn't work. I get bottom space A and top space E. And then if I stick my thumb under those, I get high C, low C. I want to show you a graphic that I made this morning with a student during office hours. 1 second and I'll share that picture. Let's see, where did it go? That's not it. Okay, this is a messy graphic, but hopefully it will show you what I want you to see. Basically, we take this keyboard down here, and we could turn this keyboard sideways, so it went right here. We read sideways from how our score goes. So this low C is that C. This high C is that C. And this middle C is in the middle. And that is a complete mess, but hopefully you get the idea that the way we look and the way we play are 90 degrees off or 45 degrees off from each other. 90 degrees off. Does that make sense? Questions? How are we feeling about these home notes? Are we getting it? Do we still have questions? And what are your questions?
You're going to put this on the YouTube, right?
Correct.
Okay. Then I'll just use that to practice more.
So does everybody know how to find the home notes on their keyboard? All right. Any other questions before we go on? All right. Last time we played, did we record Summer Night last time? Or we just played it for fun? Summer Night, does that sound right?
Yeah, we just played it for fun.
Okay.
With the teacher accompaniment.
Right. So I told you today we were going to count some rhythms, or we were going to read some melodies, and then we were going to get into the can, right? And the can is going to be a recording. I'm going to have you guys record it and upload it to Canvas. So let's look at these reading melodies, which is on page 25, I believe, in your book. Does everyone have a book yet? We're still waiting for some
I'm
books
still
to
waiting
come
on
in.
mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Looking at this 1-22 example 1, what can you tell me about it just by looking at it?
It's in 4/4.
4/4 time signature. Good. What else?
Black keys.
You said black keys.
Yeah.
It's actually going to just be, they're just going to be white keys that we're playing, but there are quarter notes. Is that? I think that's maybe what you meant. The quarter notes, so they have a filled-in black note head. Is that what you're talking about?
Oh no, I'm looking at something else. I'm looking at moderato.
Oh, so am I. Are we here? Number 1?
124.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Yeah. Okay, so what else? What does moderato mean, by the way? Moderate tempo, not too fast, not too slow. What kind of rhythmic values do we have?
Quarter notes.
We have quarter notes,
Half note.
half notes,
No, whole note.
and a whole note. All right, let's go ahead and clap and count these real quick, this line. 1, 2, ready, go. Pi, 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 pi. Not too bad, right? Okay. Does everybody see this 1? What's this 1 talking about? What does that 1 mean?
It's gonna be.
Is that where your index finger is supposed to be?
No.
Never mind.
No.
Because we're pianists.
Your
we're
thumb?
not bass
Your thumb?
clarinet players. There we go.
Sorry.
Good. So that's a finger number telling us that we're going to put our thumb on G clef G. And you know where G clef G is, right? It's 5 notes up from middle C. So I'm going to try. This is what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to share my screen so that you can see. I'm going to share my desktop so you can see both my piano and the music. Let's see if this works. So our starting note is this G right here with our finger number 1 in our right hand, because our right hand is mainly the hand that is going to play when we are in the treble clef. Is everybody with me? So let's try playing this. So do you have your right hand thumb on G clef G? We're going to play, every finger gets a note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. but I'm going to start with just my thumb on G. 1, 2, ready, go. Pi, step up, step up, step down, step up, step up, step up, pi, pi, step down, step down, step down, same note, step down. Can we try that again? My screen got messed up. How did we do? Did we do all right? All right, so do we have one finger on every key from G to D with our right hand? Let's go again. We're going to start with finger number 1 on G. 1, 2, ready, go. Thumb on G. Up to 2, up to 3, down to 2, 3, 4, 5, down to 4, down to 3, down to 2, same note, down to 1. How do we do? Give me some feedback. Crickets from everybody. It's cool. It's Tuesday. Nobody wants to talk. I see how it is. Showered and everything, but everybody's ignoring me. All right. Number 2. What can you tell me about number 2?
It's in 2/4.
2/4. Good. What does that mean?
2 beats in a measure and the quarter note gets to beat.
Good. What else do you notice?
There's an E flat.
We've got black keys, accidentals,
And staccato notes.
staccato marks. So we're going to play short and detached whenever we have staccato notes. How many do we have?
10.
All right. What else do you notice? What hand's playing?
The right hand.
Right hand. We're in treble clef. So let's clap and count rhythm. You ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Pi, 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 pi. Not bad, right? So we're going to be putting what finger where?
Your thumb goes on C.
Thumb goes on C, which is a skip below top space E. So I know my top space E is there. I'm going to skip down to there and put my right hand thumb on it. All right, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Thumb on C, short, short. Step up. Step up to our black key with 3. Step up to 4. Step up to 5. Same note. Step down to E flat. Step down. Step down. How'd we do?
Good.
Should we do it one more time? 1, 2, ready, thumb on C. Same note. Step up to our black key E flat with a 3. Same note. Step up to 5 on G. Same note. Step down. Same note. Step down to E flat. Step down. Step down. How'd we do? This is really exciting stuff, isn't it? We're going to get through this page, and then we're going to go to some better stuff, I promise. All right, number 3, what do we got?
Three, 4.
3/4 time signature, good. What else?
You got slurs.
Slurs, what does that mean?
No articulation.
Connected, I guess.
Connected.
Yeah, we still have articulation. We have
Legato.
smooth and legato connected sounds. Good. What else?
There's different dynamics.
Ooh, we start piano,
Piano,
which
so-
means
Soft.
soft, and we go to,
Mezzo forte.
which means
Strong.
medium loud. Good. What else?
There's C sharp.
C sharps.
You start on your 5th finger.
Good. We start on finger number 5 on home note top space E. So top space E is middle C up 5. Put your thumb under 5 more. Let's clap and count the rhythm. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Pi, 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 pi. Did we get that all right? Do we have our hand position? Each finger gets a note. Our 3rd finger is on the C sharp. We're going to start with our pinky on E. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 5 on E. Step down. Step down to 3 on C sharp. Step down. Step up. Now we're going to skip down to thumb on A. Step up to B. 3 on C sharp. 4 on D. 5 on E. 3 on C sharp. Skip down to thumb on A. Let's try that one more time. We're going to start with 5 on E. 1, 2, 3. 5 on E. Step down. 4 on D. Step down. Step down. Step up. Skip down. Step up. 2 on B. Step up. 4 on D. 5 on E. 3 on C sharp. Skip down to thumb on A. Did we do all right? I got a head nod from Preston. I'm going to go with it. Number 4. What's up with number 4?
We're in bass clef.
Bass clef. What does that mean?
Left hand.
Left hand's going to play it. Good. What else?
In forte.
Forte dynamic marking, which means we're going to play it
Loud.
loud. Good. What else?
Adagio.
What does adagio mean?
Pretty slow.
Slow.
Kind of.
Good. What else?
There's no sharps or flats.
No sharps or flats. All natural keys. Cape.
Or
4/4 time signature. All right, let's clap and count a rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. Pi, 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 pi. Pretty easy, right? Where are we putting our hands?
thumb goes on E.
Thumb goes on E, which is a step below F clef F. So we know middle C. We go 5 out to get F. 1 more down. And we're putting our left hand thumb on that. All right. So every finger gets a white key. We're going to start with thumb on E. 1, 2, ready, go. Thumb on E. Pi, pi, skip down. 3 on C. Pi, pi, skip down. 5 on A. Step up, step up, step down. Step up, step up, skip down, step up, skip up, leap down to pinky on bottom space A. How do we do? One more time. Starting with thumb on E. 1, 2, ready, go. E. Skip down to C. Skip down to A. A, B, C. Down to B. B, C, D. Skip down to B. Step up to C. Skip up to E. Leap down to pinky on A. Are we getting these? 2 more. All right, 126. Tell me about it. Number 5.
It's in piano.
We're going to start soft. Then we're going to get loud. Make sure I do that because I always forget my dynamics. They're the hardest thing to remember, huh? Okay, what else?
It's in bass clef again.
Bass clef, so our left hand's going to play.
1, 3, 4.
3, 4 times signature. Good.
Staccato notes.
Yeah. Everything but
Half notes.
the dotted half notes are staccato. Now, don't get this dotted half note mixed up with a staccato. The staccato has to be either above or below the note head. The dot on the side means you're going to add half the note's value. So what's half of 2?
1,
2 plus 1 equals
3.
3 beats. Yeah? All right, let's clap and count our rhythm. 1, 2, 3. Pi, 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 pi. Easy? Where are we putting our hand?
Our 5 is on D.
Yeah, where is that D? That D is a skip below home note F clef F. Middle C, down to F clef F, skip down, putting our 5 on it. So if my 5's on D, my 4's on E, my 3's on F, my 2's on G, my thumb's on A. I've got a key for every finger. You with me? Starting with 5 on D. 1, 2, 3, here I go. 5 on D. 4 on E. 3 on F. Step down. Step up. Step up. Step down. Step down. Step down. Step up. Pi, pi. Up to thumb on A. Step down. Step down. Step up. Step down. Step down. Step up. Step up. Skip down. Step down. One more time. I'm going to say note names. Here we go. 5 on D. E. F. E, F, G, F, E, D, E, up to thumb on A, G, F, G, F, E, F, G, E, D. We doing all right? Questions, comments, concerns, friends with questions, private messages in the chat.
I'm so used to reading treble clef, sometimes I get it mixed up.
It's different, isn't it?
I can get it better when you say the keys rather than skip up and down
Yeah.
and all of that.
Yeah, for now. But we're going to where you need to be able to do it with just saying steps and skips. So that's why I continue to do both for now. But that's where we're going. We want you to be able to do step up, skip down. Because it's not going to stay nice and neat. And we need to be able to read on a grand staff, which is our next screen. All right, number 6. Tell me about it.
It's still bass clef.
Still bass clef, so still left hand.
It's in common time 4/4.
Common time 4/4, okay?
And there is a F sharp
F sharps, good.
slurred.
We got 4 F sharps. Good. We have a slur, so we're going to be playing smooth and connected.
There's quarter notes and half notes.
Quarter notes and half notes.
And we're still starting our pinky on D.
Same starting spot. Mezzo forte, medium loud, tempo.
Andante.
So walking speed, is that right?
Yep.
All right, let's clap and count our rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. Pi, 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 pi. Pi, 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 pi. 2 phrases, not too bad. So we have a white, white, black, white, white hand position here. Starting with my left hand pinky on D, a skip below, home note F. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 5 on D, 4 on E, 3 on F sharp, back to E, F sharp, G, thumb on A, same note, 2 on G, 3 on F sharp, 4 on E, 5 on D, skip up to F sharp, skip back to D. One more time. 5 on E, 5 on D to start. Ready, go. 5 on D. Step up to our blackie. Step down, step up, step up, step up. Same note. Step down, step down, step down, step down, skip up, step down. Congratulations, you survived page 25. We're going to come back to this one tomorrow, I think. I want to fast forward to the can, which I believe is on page 42. Wait, where did it go? Can's on page 36. So we're going to read on the grand staff. What does that mean?
Both the treble and bass clef.
Both the treble and the bass are happening. So both hands are going to be playing. Yeah? If it's in the bass clef, and the stem's going down, the left hand's going to play it. So the left hand gets all those notes. And then the right hand is going to get all these notes. And then the left hand comes back. Stays left hand. Left hand gets the first note of that measure. Right hand gets those 4. Left hand gets those. We have a repeat sign. So we got to go all the way back to the beginning. And then the second time, we got to jump over to the second ending where we go left, right, left, left, left. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to tap this. Do you have your tappers ready? We're going to count our rhythm, but we're going to tap. So we're going to start with our left hand. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Pie, 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 pie. Right hand. Pie, 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 pie. Left hand. Pie, 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 pie. Right hand. Pie, 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 pie. Left hand. Pie, pie, pie. Repeat. Pie, 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 pie. Right hand. Pie, 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 pie. Left hand. Pie, 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 pie. Second ending. Pie. Right hand. Pie. Left hand. Pie, 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 pie. How'd we do? Who has a friend that secretly needs to do that again?
I almost missed that second ending.
Ah, I see a friend that wants to do it again. Are you ready?
I skipped the repeat.
Oh, don't skip the repeat. All right, let's do it one more time. I think there's some friends that need it. 1, 2, ready, go. Pie, 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 pie. Right hand. Pie, 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 pie. Left hand. Pie, 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 pie. Pie, 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 pie. Right hand. Pie, 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 pie. Left hand. Pie, pie, pie. Repeat. Pie, 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 pie. Pie, 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 pie. Right hand. Pie, 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 pie. Left hand. Pie, 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 pie. Pie, 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 pie. Second ending. Pie. Right hand. Pie. Left hand. Pie, 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 pie. Off. How'd we do? Was it better?
This time, yeah.
All right. All right. So there's a couple things that we're supposed to talk about.
Helps to sing it along. I don't know if that's just me though.
Yeah. Yeah. I tried to do that the second time.
I have a quick question.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Being dumb, but how do you know which one is the left hand and the right hand?
Good question. So if it's in the bass clef, the left hand's gonna play it. If it's here, if it's in this clef, if it's in the bass clef, the left hand's gonna play it.
I've seen some pieces where there'd be like the treble clef in the bass clef. Does that make sense?
Yep, sure. That's gonna happen, but it's not gonna happen for a while in this class yet. But it will happen. So everything that I've circled, Isabella, the left hand is gonna play. Everything that I've circled in blue, the right hand's going to play. Because it's in the treble clef. But right here at the end, it gets tricky because it goes left, right, left, left, left. Here we go, left, right, left, left, right, left. So it's going back and forth. It's not all on the left. It's not all on the right. We're doing both. You with me? Okay. Now comes the fun. Finding where our hands go. So we are starting with our left hand 4 on G. And our right hand thumb is going to be on D. So here, if our left hand thumb's on C and our right hand thumb's on D, there's where our hands go.
There's a sharp on F though.
There's a sharp on F. Good call. There's a sharp on F in our key signature. However, guess what? We never play it. So, if I put my left hand thumb on C and my right hand thumb on D and I go out, technically that's where we put our hands, but our left hand 5 and our right hand 3 never. Oh, I lied to you. Yes, good call. We do have enough sharp right here. We have one black key. Our left hand pinky never plays F sharp. There's where our hands go. I apologize. We do have that one black key. All right, we're going to go super, super, super slow. Are you ready? So, you got your hands ready? I'm going to start with 4 in my left on G and 1 in my right on D. 1, 2, ready, let's go. Pi, 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 step up, skip up, down to B, down to A, right hand thumb on D, pi, pi, same note, pi, pi, same note, step up, left hand 2 on B, thumb on middle C, skip down to 3 on A, same note, middle C, B, A, G, right hand 4 on G, 3 on F sharp, our black key, step down to E, thumb on D, left hand thumb on C, B, A, repeat back to the very beginning, left hand 4 on G, pi, 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 step up, skip up, step down, right hand thumb on D, same note, step up, left hand 2 on B, step up, skip down, 3 on A, skip up, step down, second ending, step down, right hand thumb on D, left hand 3 on A, step up, skip down, off. How did we do? Who was it a total train wreck for? Yes, I got some train wrecks. Who did just fine? Pass with flying colors. High scores.
My keyboard stopped working, so I had to migrate to my piano. I missed like half of it.
All right, let's do it again. If you've got this down pat and you want to just mute me and record yourself doing a video of it, you can do that. I'm going to do it again. So if you've got it down pat, record it, upload it to Canvas, you're ready to rock. If you want to do it with me again, I'm going to do it again. You ready? So I've got my left hand 4 on G and my right hand thumb on D. You ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 4 on G. Step up, skip up. 2 on B, 3 on A. Right hand thumb on D. Pi, pi. Same note. Same note. Step up. Left hand 2 on B. Thumb on C. 3 on A. Same note. Same note. C. B. A. G. Right hand 4. 3 on F sharp. 2 on E. Thumb on D. Left hand. Thumb on C. 2 on B. 3 on A. Repeat back to the beginning. 4 on G. Pi, 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 pi. Step up. Skip up. Step down. Step down. Right hand thumb on D. Same note. Same note. Step up. Left hand 2. Step up. Skip down. Same note. Same note. Skip up. Step down. Step down. Step down. Second ending. Right hand thumb. Left hand 3. Step up. Skip down. Off. How'd we do? Doing all right? Ready to go fast? Who wants to go fast? Let's go fast. 1, 2, ready, go. Bye, 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 repeat. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Second inning, bye, 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 bye. So I probably left some of you in the dust, and that's fine. It's probably great for some of you, and that's fine. There's no speed requirement in my class, just a consistency requirement. So if that was way too fast for you, totally cool. Just do it at the pace you can do it at and be consistent. Questions, comments, concerns? So let me show you on Canvas where I want this to end up. On Canvas. On your home page, you should have... I didn't even put it up. My fault. I'm going to put it up on Canvas, and this is what I want you to do. I want you to record a video of yourself playing it. And I want you to do it one of two ways. I want you to either record it to YouTube and give me a URL, which can be an oh, it's there. I just didn't make a module for it. Make an unlisted video, unless you want to make it public. If you want to make it public, totally cool. Or you can use Canvas to record it. Let me get this up real quick. So there's an assignment on Canvas called video upload. can upload. Just gonna move this to the very top so y'all can see it. So I put it as the module right underneath the home note module. So let's try this again. If you are on Canvas and you are looking at the modules on the home page, I made a can video upload here. So if you click on that, you are going to be either submitting a website URL or a media recording. I'm going to take down the part that says a file upload because I hate having to download 23 files to grade you guys' assignment. Does that make sense?
I have a question.
Go ahead.
For the undated assignments, you have week 1, but there's no content. What is that?
It's just a module. There's no assignment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You haven't missed any assignments yet.
So this
When-
is our first assignment that
This
will
is
be
your-
due.
This is your first assignment. Yeah.
When is it due?
When should we make it due?
I need at least 2 weeks. I'm just kidding. I need
Yeah.
time though to get it.
I'll make it due by Sunday evening.
Sunday, okay.
Wait, where'd you find that?
On the modules,
Oh, okay.
it'd be called can upload or you see
Oh,
it?
I see it. Yep. I see it.
So record yourself playing it. We can go over it again next time as well. And then you'll have the video up on YouTube as well. But we can redo it in class. Make sense?
So you said you could record it from Canvas?
You can. You can, if you hit the media tab or use the app on your phone, you can record yourself using Canvas.
Okay. Thank you.
Otherwise, you can make it an unlisted YouTube video. Don't make it a private video because then we have to interact with our Gmails. But if you just make it unlisted and put the URL, that works as well.
Okay, cool.
So any way you want to handle that.
All right.
Cool. We can play in front of the class if you want to play in front of the class. Do you want to play in front of the class? Okay. Vivian, hang tight with me. Isabella, hang tight with me. I'm going to answer your questions. Gilbert, you can do headphones or mic. It doesn't matter. In answer to your question about the keyboard.
Oh, okay.
Probably me be able to hear you is nice because in the future we're going to do breakout rooms. So I'll bust us into a breakout room and say, hey, play this for me. So it'd be
Okay,
nice
for
to
sure.
hear you, but if it's too much of a hassle, we can make it work either way.
Okay.
Questions,
I guess-
comments?
Okay.
If not, I'll see you all tomorrow.